Salut tout le monde et bienvenue à Language Fluent. Je suis Ria, votre enseignante de langue française ici et aujourd'hui on va apprendre les temps et saisons. So hello everybody and welcome back to Language Fluent. I am Ria, your language instructor at Language Fluent, and today we are going to learn the weather and the seasons. Les temps et saisons. Les temps et saisons. Although les temps is also being called as time, but it has also the meaning of the weather. Alright, the les temps is also being called as time and weather. Alright, so today we are going to learn about the weather only, the weather and season. Alright, so here we have 4 basic seasons with us, which is very primary and very basic seasons. So let's get started. And these 4 are very important, so you need to make sure that you are repeating with me and you are learning how to pronounce it as well. You can write it also the Hindi pronunciation so that you could remind the pronunciation of that particular word. Alright, so let's get started. Summer is being called as l'été. L'été. Alright, l'été is summer and this is the Hindi pronunciation. Winter is being called as l'hiver. L'hiver, l'hiver, l'hiver. L'hiver is written here. And then we have autumn. Autumn is being called as l'automne. L'automne, l'automne, l'automne. Alright? You can learn it by breaking it also. L'automne. M is not pronounced here. Okay, so we will have l'automne. Alright? L'automne. Then we have spring. Spring is being called as spring season. Spring is a season. Alright. So spring season is being called as le printemps. Le printemps. Le printemps. Le printemps. Alright. So on les répète, we are going to repeat it. L'été. L'été is summer. L'hiver. L'hiver. L'hiver is winter. L'automne. L'automne is autumn. Autumn is being called as l'automne. Then we have spring. Spring is being called as le printemps. Le printemps. Le printemps. Alright. So let's take it further. Okay, so I am taking this topic a little bit further. That is with the question of quel temps fait-il? Quel temps fait-il? That is, what is the weather? That is, what is the weather currently? Alright, so how will you be answering this question? You will be answering with these kind of statements. So let's get started with it. Alright, il fait beau. That is, it is sunny. It is good. The weather is good. The weather is nice. It can be anything. Beau means it is good. The weather is nice. The weather is calming, soothing and nice. Alright. So mind it that the literal translation of il fait in French is it does. It does nice. It does sunny. Okay, but for now we are learning it is as it is. Alright, so we are not using the literal translation of French, that is it does, but for now we are learning it as it is. Alright, so il fait beau, it is sunny. It is good. The weather is nice. Also, il fait sunny is also being called as il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil. Il y a du soleil. It is sunny. Alright. The next is il fait chaud. Il fait chaud. That is, it is, sorry, I'm very mistaken here. It is hot. Il fait chaud is, it is hot. Alright. Il pleut. Il pleut. Pleut is raining. It is raining. Alright. Il pleut. It is raining. Il fait froid. Il fait froid. That is, it is cold. Il fait froid. Yes, it is froid. It is cold. Now let's move forward with some more statements of this question. Now we have 2 typical weather. That is, il y a des nuages. Il y a des nuages. That is, it is cloudy. The weather is cloudy. il y a, because we have il y a, then we can also say it like there are some clouds. There are some clouds. Il y a des nuages. You can also you also tell it like c'est nuageux. C'est nuageux. That is, it is cloudy. C'est nuageux. Alright. Then we have a little bit typical word, that is il y a du brouillard. Il y a du brouillard. That is, it is foggy. The weather is foggy. Répétez après moi. Alright. Brouillard. Brouillard. Not brew, it's k sound. Répétez après moi. Brouillard. 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 Alright? Très bien. That's really good. That's really typical word, and if you are pronouncing it, that's best of yours. Side in French. Alright? Il y a du brouillard. Il y a du brouillard. It is foggy. So yes, c'est tout. That's all for today, and all the seasons and almost every weather we have covered today. So I hope you found it interesting, and if you really liked it, please don't forget to like, share, and also press the bell icon of this video to stay updated with further content of Language Fluent. And if you guys really want to purchase the full course of French with us, you can always go into the description box right below my video. There is a form. You can fill that, and also you can contact in the following numbers given into my video, and you can contact that on those numbers anytime. And also we offer the translation and interpretation services as well. You can go for that as well. Alright, merci, c'est tout. Au revoir.